The indomitable spirit of Helen Keller. Helen Keller's story is one of extraordinary courage, resilience, and determination. Born in Tuscumbia, Alabama, on June 27, 1880, Helen was a bright and healthy child. But tragedy struck when she was only 19 months old. A severe illness, believed to be either scarlet fever or meningitis, left her both deaf and blind. The once vibrant world of sound and sight became a silent, dark void, thrusting her into an existence of profound isolation. Her early years were marked by frustration and anger. Unable to communicate, Helen often threw wild tantrums, leaving her family heartbroken and desperate for a solution. Despite her disabilities, her intelligence and potential were evident. At the age of 6, her parents sought advice from Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of the telephone, who had been working with deaf children. Bell referred them to the Perkins Institute for the Blind in Boston. There, a young and determined teacher named Anne Sullivan was selected to work with Helen. Anne Sullivan arrived at the Keller home in March 1887, and from the moment they met, a remarkable journey began. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. Anne's teaching methods were innovative and relentless. She used a manual alphabet, spelling words into Helen's hand to introduce her to language. The breakthrough moment came when Anne spelled water into Helen's hand while pouring water over it. For the first time, Helen connected the sensation of water with its symbolic representation. This single realization unlocked an insatiable thirst for knowledge. Under Anne's guidance, Helen learned to read Braille, write, and even speak. Her determination to learn and communicate was extraordinary. In 1900, she became the first deaf-blind person to enroll at Radcliffe College, the women's branch of Harvard University. With Anne by her side interpreting lectures and materials, Helen graduated with honors in 1904. Her academic achievements defied all expectations and were a testament to her perseverance and intellect. Helen's accomplishments extended far beyond academics. She became a prolific author, penning 14 books and numerous essays. Her autobiography, The Story of My Life, published in 1903, is an inspiring account of her journey from darkness and silence to enlightenment and empowerment. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. She also became a passionate activist, advocating for the rights of people with disabilities, women's suffrage, and social justice. Through her tireless efforts with organizations like the American Foundation for the Blind, Helen worked to improve the lives of countless individuals facing challenges similar to her own. Helen's life was not without obstacles. She faced skepticism and prejudice, with critics doubting her accomplishments and attributing them solely to Anne Sullivan. Yet Helen never allowed such negativity to deter her. Instead, she used her voice and platform to challenge societal attitudes and break down barriers. Her indomitable spirit inspired millions and redefined what was possible for individuals with disabilities. Her influence extended far beyond the United States. Helen traveled to 35 countries, meeting world leaders and delivering speeches that touched hearts and changed minds. She believed in the power of community and collaboration, famously stating, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." This belief underpinned her advocacy work and left an enduring legacy of hope and empowerment. Helen's achievements earned her numerous accolades. She was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom, one of the United States' highest civilian honors, in 1964 by President Lyndon B. Johnson. Her relentless efforts also led to the establishment of improved education systems and resources for individuals with disabilities, ensuring that future generations would have opportunities she once lacked. Her travels and public appearances were often physically demanding, but Helen remained undeterred. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. Whether speaking to large audiences or engaging in one-on-one conversations, her eloquence and determination captivated people from all walks of life. She saw her mission as a calling to break down barriers and inspire hope in those who felt trapped by their circumstances. Helen's dedication to advocacy extended to supporting access to literature and education. She was instrumental in promoting the development of Braille libraries, ensuring that people with visual impairments had the resources they needed to learn and grow. She also championed advancements in assistive technology, recognizing its potential to transform lives. Her forward-thinking approach laid the groundwork for innovations that continue to benefit people with disabilities today. Beyond her activism, Helen's personal relationships and experiences offered further depth to her remarkable life. Her bond with Anne Sullivan was unparalleled, a partnership built on mutual respect, trust, and unwavering support. Anne's eventual passing in 1936 was a devastating loss, but Helen's resolve remained steadfast. Polly Thompson, another dedicated companion, stepped in to assist Helen, ensuring that her advocacy and public engagements continued uninterrupted. Helen's story reached countless individuals through the adaptation of her autobiography into stage plays and films, including the acclaimed production, The Miracle Worker. These portrayals not only celebrated her journey, but also brought awareness to the challenges faced by those with disabilities, fostering greater empathy and understanding. Helen Keller passed away on June 1, 1968, at the age of 87. By then, she had become a global symbol of triumph over adversity. Her story remains a powerful reminder of the boundless potential of the human spirit. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. It teaches us that with determination, support, and an unyielding belief in oneself, even the most insurmountable challenges can be overcome. Helen's journey is not just an inspiring chapter in history, but a beacon for all who face obstacles in life. Her life's work continues to resonate, urging us to look beyond limitations and embrace the possibilities within ourselves and others. Her legacy inspires us to persist, adapt, and triumph against all odds, reminding us that no dream is beyond reach if we have the courage to pursue it. The world is brighter because Helen Keller refused to be confined by her disabilities and instead used them as a platform to illuminate the path for others.